Hi. So today we are going to discuss how to delete version history in Google Docs. You just have to come over on this blog post, scroll down a little bit, and you'll find a script over here. You just need to copy the whole script in the box and go to your desired Google Docs file. Go to extensions, app scripts, and you have to enter the code you have copied, and now you have to get your Google Docs ID, the preferred file ID you can call it. Replace here, save it. After saving this, you have to click on the run button to run. Over here, and you will see there's the execution is completed. You can see copy created without version history over here, and you can visit this URL mentioned over here. That's it. Subscribe our channel